Welcome to the unit on algebraic expressions review exercises. The objectives for this session are to review previous topics through exercises, namely multiply and divide integer powers, manipulate algebraic expressions, and find the highest common factor of algebraic expressions. Pause the video and have a go at the review exercises shown on your screen. Press play when you are ready. Let's have a go at review exercise 1a. Simplify the expression shown on your screen. First, put the like terms together. So the m squared n terms go together, the mn cubed terms go together, and similarly for the mn squared term. This makes it easier to add up the terms, as shown. Now let's have a go at review exercise 1b. Simplify the expression on your screen. Again, put the like terms together, the x squared terms, the x terms, the constant terms, and the x cubed term. It is conventional to position the highest power first and then go down in order of size. So 4x minus 2x is 2x, and the constant term simplifies to minus 2. Now let's solve review exercise 2a. Simplify the expression shown on your screen. Recall that if a is a real number, then a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. In this case, we're looking at m and n being integers. Recall that integers are whole numbers. They could be negative or positive. So 3 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 2 is 3 to the power 5 plus 2, which is of course 3 to the power 7. We will now solve review exercise 2b. Simplify the expression shown. Recall that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Therefore 7 to the power 6 divided by 7 to the power 3 is equal to 7 to the power 6 minus 3. And that's clearly 7 to the power 3. Now let's have a go at review exercise 2c. Simplify the expression on your screen. Recall that a to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So 4 cubed all squared is equal to 4 to the power 3 times 2. Which is of course equal to 4 to the power 6. Now let's have a go at review exercise 3a. Expand the expression shown. We're required to multiply each term in the bracket by the term outside. So 7 times x is 7x, and 7 times 3 is 21. For exercise 3b, expand the expression. Again, we multiply each term in the bracket by the term outside. And so 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times minus x is minus 2x. And here we've expanded the expression. Expanding 7 times 8y minus 3x for exercise 3c. We have 7 times 8y is 56y, and 7 times minus 3x is minus 21x. Now let's have a go at review exercise 4a. Write down the highest common factor of 18 and 30. We first express each number as a product of its prime factors. So 18 equals 2 times 3 times 3, and 30 equals 3 times 10, which is equal to 3 times 2 times 5. It is conventional to put the numbers in order of size. Now 18 and 30 have two factors, 2 and 3, in common only. Therefore, the highest common factor of 18 and 30 is 2 times 3, which equals 6. For exercise 4b, find the highest common factor of 3y and 6y squared. Again, express each number as a product of its prime factors, as shown. Now 3y and 6y squared have 3 and y in common only. Therefore, the highest common factor is 3 times y. For review exercise 4c, write down the highest common factor of 7x squared y and 14xy squared. Again, expressing each number as a product of its prime factors, we have the expressions shown. Notice that these two expressions have 7x and y in common only. Therefore, the highest common factor of 7x squared y and 14xy squared is 7xy. We will now simplify 8x over 4 for review exercise 5a. 8x over 4 can be expressed as 2 times 4 times x divided by 4. On the right-hand side, there is a 4 in the numerator and a 4 in the denominator, so we can cancel to give 2x. Now let's simplify 30x squared over 2x for exercise 5b. 30x squared over 2x can be expressed as 2 times 15 times x squared over 2x. The 2's can cancel, and similarly the x's can cancel, to leave us with 15x. Now let's simplify 25y over 5y squared for exercise 5c. This can be expressed as shown. We can cancel the 5's, top and bottom, and we can cancel the y's, to leave us with 5 over y. This brings us to the end of this unit. If you have understood the content of this session, you should be able to multiply and divide integer powers, manipulate algebraic expressions, and find the highest common factor of algebraic expressions. Thank you very much for listening. For further practice, do attempt the exercises in your textbook related to this topic.